guys, it's Melanie, and today I'm going to show you how to make some fabric flowers like this one in my hair. Houndstooth matches my top. Anyway, all you need is a strip of fabric and a needle and thread and some hot glue. That's it. That's all you need. So let's get started. Okay, so here's what you're going to need to do to make your fabric flower. You want a strip of fabric. This is about 20 inches long or so, and it's nearly 3 inches wide, but I'll show you some at the end that are even different sizes than this, so don't feel like you have to make it this size. You want to iron the wrong sides together, and then you'll want to get some thread. It could be any thread, anything from a sewing kit. This is hand quilting thread, so it's got a waxy covering, which makes it so that it won't tangle as easily. And you're going to make a knot like that. Okay, thread your needle, and then you'll begin by stitching down here where the raw edges are. And basically you're just going to start and you're just going to go up, down. Just try to make your stitches uniform, but you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. You could pull it through like that, and then just keep going. Like that. See how it's beginning to gather? So keep doing this all the way down. Okay, now here it is at the very end. You're just gonna pull it through. Here it is, kind of cinched up, and then basically you're just gonna sort of roll it into kind of a flower shape. In the center there's going to be some fraying. If you don't like the fraying, feel free to add some fray check to your edges before you gather it up. And it's also really easy to just stick a button right on top of that and cover it up. Okay, so the easiest thing that I have found is basically take your thread, which is now on the back side, and you're just gonna kind of bring it through. Just keep doing this over and over until you kind of get all of these layers. You can bring it up. If you're going to bring it up, you want to make sure that the thread kind of stays hidden, so you're going to go back down, you know, fairly close so that you don't have this big stitch going all the way across. So really easy, you know, it can be super fast, you know. Just try to get everything secure. It doesn't have to be the prettiest thing in the world. Needle through this loop. Okay, do that a few times, and that will get it nice and secure. If you're insecure about how well you've stitched it all together, you can use some fabric glue like this and just put a little dab on there, and let it dry. And then that should secure everything. Okay, so here's some other ones that I made. Here's the houndstooth one that I just completed. And here's a smaller one with the printed fabric. Here's a larger one in a solid color, nice fabric. Okay, so a few different things you could do. You could put a button, you know, in the center like that. You could, you know, add like a little rhinestone to the center. You could leave the center plain. Also, if you want to attach it to something, so you could put this piece of felt and attach it with some of the fabric glue. Attach that, and then you could add a clip like this, and that could go in your hair or clip it onto a jacket or onto your purse or something like that. Or you could even glue one of these on there that then you could pin onto a sweater or onto your purse, or you know, anything that you could pin it onto. And you can do all of this with the fabric glue, or even hot glue would work. The other thing you can do that's really cute is you add this felt, and then this is called fold over elastic. You can buy it, I bought mine on Etsy. But basically, you could measure baby's head, or even your head, and make a baby headband. And then what you do is you just, you know, put your raw edges here, and then glue the felt on top of it, and then you've got a headband.
Hope you guys had fun making this fun fabric flower. So cute, so easy, so fast. Literally, I made these all in like 10 minutes. So just have some fun with it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Okay, thanks. Bye.